Radiesse and Voluma are totally different fillers. Voluma is made out of hyaluronic acid, which is a normal molecule of your body that pulls water, and that's how it gives volume. Radiesse is calcium based, so we know that our body also makes calcium and uses calcium to give more structure, but it doesn't pull water. It actually just builds more bone. So Radiesse works by giving and creating a little bit of inflammation to build more collagen and give more structure to the face. Voluma and Radiesse, because they're both thick fillers, are used mostly for the contouring of the face. So cheekbone, jawline, maybe chin, it can use pretty much for the structure of the face. Radiesse especially causes a little bit of inflammation, so at the beginning injectors need to be very familiar with the thickness and the placement of the filler, because most of the time Radiesse is used just periosteo to give more structure, and then you may feel the filler at the beginning, but it blends in 2 weeks later. Voluma, on the other hand, it plumps. You can see results right away, and it doesn't cause this kind of like bumpiness on the skin, but it's still, because it's a thicker filler, you need to place it deeper in the cheek. So patients that are losing lots of volume, either because they're losing weight, for example, professional dancers that they just metabolize and they work the whole day with their muscles, they try to have emptiness in the mid face. Voluma, it's really good to replace those areas of volume loss because it plumps and gives you this nice lift, versus Radiesse gives you more structure. So people that are losing volume more because they want to lose weight, they're in the process of losing weight, you don't want to put filler just to restore the weight that they're trying to lose. So Radiesse is the best for building a structure but not adding extra volume to the face. Another thing with Voluma and Radiesse, Juvederm is like a gel that very cohesive and a little bit bouncy and see-through in color. On the other hand, Radiesse is, because it's calcium based, is white, and at the same time Radiesse can be reconstituted, so you can control a little bit of that thickness when you're injecting, and it can be just like a line thin, or it can be very thick, just as it comes in the syringe. Also, if we compare Voluma and Radiesse in terms of cost, it might be that Voluma is always going to be a little bit more pricey, because you may need also like a little bit more filler to get to the results that you want, versus Radiesse, where you can work by stages and at the same time don't need to add that much at the beginning. So in general, Voluma and Radiesse are very good fillers for the cheekbone and the jawline to give a little bit more of structure to the face. But talk to your provider, because it's a difference between Juvederm adding more volume to the skin and adding more volume to the face, versus Radiesse, where it actually gives a little bit more structure to the face. So even though it's placed in the same area, the final result is a little bit different.